Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about types of epithelium. Epithelial tissues, they are of two types. The first one is simple and the second type is compound epithelium. In simple epithelium, epithelial cells are arranged in single layer, and in compound epithelium, the epithelial cells, they are arranged in multiple layers. Simple epithelial tissues, they are of different types. First was squamous epithelium, second cuboidal, third columnar, fourth ciliated, and the last one is pseudo-stratified epithelium. They are further classified, which we will study in detail later. Compound epithelium, they are of two types, stratified epithelium and transitional epithelium. Let's start with the simple epithelium. The first one is simple squamous epithelium. In simple squamous epithelium, the epithelial cells, you can see here, the epithelial cells, they are flat and have irregular boundaries. The nucleus is flat which causes the bulging of the cell surface. Here you can see, due to this flat nucleus, the cell surface is bulged. The basal part of the epithelial cell, it lies over the basement membrane. Fine. And the cells here, they are arranged like a tiles fitted in the floor. So this squamous epithelial tissue, they are also referred as pavement epithelium, because they are arranged like a tiles in the floor, and that's why they are also referred as pavement epithelium. If we see the cells, epithelial cells from the surface, the cells appears polygonal. So this is the surface view of squamous epithelium, and surface view gives the epithelial cells polygonal appearance. And this is the vertical view. Now we will see the location. Squamous epithelium, they are located in the Bowman's capsule, loop of Henle, of where these structures are found. They are found in nephron, in the blood and lymph vessels, heart, it lines the coelom. So here, in case of blood, blood vessels, lymph vessels and heart, here the squamous epithelium, it is referred as endothelium. This is called endothelium. Here squamous epithelium is referred as endothelium. Coelom, it is lined with the squamous epithelium, and here it is called mesothelium. Very important that coelomic cavity is lined with the, in coelomic cavity the epithelium, they are called mesothelium. In blood vessels, lymph vessels and heart, the epithelial cells, they turn wavy and there they are called tessellated epithelium. This is also very important. Now about the function of the squamous epithelium. What is the function of a squamous epithelium? First of all, it is protection. Bowman's capsule and loop of Henle, they are part of nephron, so naturally they are related with the secretion and absorption. Squamous epithelium is also located in alveoli. So here, with the help of squamous epithelium, exchange of gases takes place. So this was about the squamous epithelium. The next type of epithelium is cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium, that is, as name suggests, that the cells will be here in cuboid shape. Cuboid shape, and the nucleus, it is centrally located. Nucleus is centrally located. The free surface, which you can see here, that is the apical part of the epithelial cells, cuboidal cells, and this is the basal part of the cuboidal cells. So the basal part, it lies over the basement membrane. Basement membrane, it is a non-living acellular structure. And this is the free surface of the cuboidal cells. So here on the free surface of the cell, there might have fine hair-like a structure, and this fine hair-like structure gives the appearance of brush border. And if this fine hair-like structure is present, then the cuboidal epithelium is called brush bordered cuboidal epithelium. This simple cuboidal epithelium, it is present in the, so this is present, this is one other name of the simple cuboidal epithelium. The simple cuboidal epithelium, it is also present in the testes and the ovaries, and there it produces sperm and ova. That's why the simple cuboidal epithelium is also known as germinal epithelium. So this is also one of the derivative of the cuboidal epithelium. For the squamous epithelium, you can remember that is, it's also known as pavement epithelium or tessellated epithelium. These are the derivatives of the simple squamous epithelium. And here for cuboidal epithelium, that is brush border cuboidal epithelium and the germinal epithelium. Where is the location? We will see. Location is this brush border cuboidal epithelium. It is present in the tubules of nephron. So its function will be absorption and secretion. Testis, it is present in testis and ovaries. So there what will be the function? To produce sperms and ova. It is also present in the salivary and pancreatic duct. So here its function will be secretion. And it's also present in the thyroid follicles. So this is about the cuboidal epithelium. Now the next type, that is the simple columnar epithelium. Simple columnar epithelium, you can see here that the cells are elongated or slender shaped. That slender shaped cells are present here, and the nucleus, it is close to the lower part of the cell. Nucleus, which is oval shaped nucleus, which is close to the basal part of the cell, and the basal part here, that is, it lies over the basement membrane. And the nucleus is present along the long axis of the cell. Some of the cells here, they are specialized to produce mucus, and these cells are called goblet cells. Fine. Some cells of the columnar epithelium, here they get specialized and start secreting mucus, and that particular cell is called goblet cell. So in case of columnar epithelium, the epithelium with the goblet cells along with the underlying connective tissue, this is the underlying connective tissue, and this mucus producing epithelium, they together form mucosa. So what is mucosa? Mucosa means that mucus producing epithelium and underlying connective tissue, they together form mucosa. Simple columnar epithelium, they can have also finger-like projections, and that also gives the same structure like cuboidal epithelium, and that is brush border. So here also they can have brush border. If the brush border is present, it is called brush bordered columnar epithelium. Now about the location, where they are located. Location is intestine or stomach. It is present in the intestinal gland. Gastric glands. Fine. So this is columnar epithelium. Next, that the type of epithelium is, that is ciliated epithelium. Simple ciliated epithelium, that is, they can be cuboidal or columnar. The cells could be cuboidal or columnar, and they rest on the basement membrane. So in case of ciliated epithelium, these cuboidal epithelial cells, they have cilia at free end. They have cilia at free end. So ciliated epithelium, they are of two types. The first one is, this is ciliated cuboidal epithelium, and this is ciliated columnar epithelium. So only the difference between the simple cuboidal epithelium and simple ciliated cuboidal epithelium is that on the free surface, that is the cilia is present. Ciliated columnar epithelium, here that is the cilia is present at the free end of the cells. Ciliated cuboidal epithelium, it is found in the small bronchioles and the certain parts of nephron. And ciliated columnar epithelium, it is found in the oviduct, ventricles of brain, ventricle means cavity, central canal of spinal cord, and the cavities of tympanic cavity of middle ear. So these are important examples, and often questions are being asked that where is the location of different types of epithelium. So this is about the ciliated epithelium. So now about the pseudo-stratified epithelium. Pseudo-stratified epithelium, that you can, it appears in the diagram, you can see here, it appears that there are two layers of the cells, but actually it is one layer. Why it gives appearance of bilayer? Because here the cells are of two sizes. Here, that is, this is the long cell and this is the short cell. Long cells, they have oval nucleus, and the short cell, they have round nucleus. And due to the position of the nucleus, that it appears that this epithelium is having bilayer, but actually this is the single layer. Pseudo-stratified epithelium, it is of two types. If cilia is present, here you can see there is no cilia. So this is simple pseudo-stratified epithelium, or non-ciliated epithelium. And this type of non-ciliated pseudo-stratified epithelium is found in the large ducts of salivary gland, like parotid gland, and urethra of human male. Pseudo-stratified epithelium can have this cilia over the free surface of the cells, and then in this case it is called ciliated pseudo-stratified epithelium. And this type of epithelium, it is found in the trachea and bronchi. Apart from this, that the mucus producing goblet cells are also present in the pseudo-stratified epithelium. Function is protection, secretion and movement of secretion from the gland.